Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
How popular are bicycles in your hometown?
Well, I would say bicycles are moderately popular in my hometown. It was widely used when I was a child, and I have seen so many people using bicycles to reach their destinations. In fact, the majority of people used to ride bicycles to travel to and from their offices at that time. But the motorized vehicles have become more popular these days, and this trend has decreased the prevalence of bicycles. However, it's a good sign that many young people these days are using bicycles. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.